Hello friends, how are you? In this video we are going to review and unbox the GoPro 3.5mm mic adapter, or we can say the extension. So on the official website you can see the price is $50 and they charge for shipping approximately $50 for that, for economic shipping. And if you order from Amazon India, they charge around 4,000 rupees. And actually before this adapter, so actually there is no direct 3.5mm port over here, so you need to convert this to 3.5mm jack. So you can see here in the previous adapter was looking like this. So the problem with this is if you want to charge your GoPro, and if you want to record your audio as well, so you need to remove first of all your microphone, and then you can add your power source to your GoPro. So if you have this adapter, you can do both things at the same time. So let's see first of all how this adapter look like. So we'll open this up. So over here you can see you can connect your microphone with your GoPro using this adapter, and this is a little bit big if we compare the size with GoPro. So first of all, before that we will just check this out. So there is one note is written that before using this adapter you need to upgrade your GoPro Hero 5. So for updation your GoPro, either you use your computer and install the quick software, GoPro quick software, and using that you can update your, you need to connect your GoPro with your computer and update in that way, or you can install an application called Capture in your phone, Android phone, or in that way you can also you can connect using Wi-Fi, and you can update your GoPro in that way also. So actually I have updated already. So we will just connect our GoPro with this, and we will test our audio, and as well as we will also test that can we connect this both things, like the power source as well as the audio input, using this to the GoPro. So first of all we will record without connecting with 3.5mm jack. So let's start. Hello, this is mic testing 1 2 3 4. This is mic testing 1 2 3 4, and we will also try to play some song. So actually the audio source is far from the internal microphone, so that is the reason you will get a lot of noise. So that's the reason people used to use to connect external microphones, so it will go a little bit closer to your audio source. So that's the thing. We'll pause it or stop it, and now we will connect our adapter over here like this, and we will connect our audio input. At the same time we will connect the power source here, and let's see is it start charging first of all. So you can see here it start charging right now. So one more thing, that if you are not using the Wi-Fi, you should close it, because Wi-Fi is burning your lot of battery charge. So always close your Wi-Fi if you are not using it. So it will save a lot of your power. So now we are connected with the microphone using 3.5 mm jack and using the converter. And now we are actually the same way the audio source, sorry, the mic is little bit far from the audio source, and we are trying to record and check the quality of the sound, and the charging is also going on. Hello, this is mic testing 1 2 3 4. This is mic testing 1 2 3 4, and now we are playing some music again. So actually there are a lot of people are complaining about the size of this GoPro and the thickness of this cable. That is also correct according to them, because you can see they have put so many things in little camera, but for this conversion they had built very big thing. So at least they should give extra this 3.5 mm jack here, or we can say here, and maybe they need to increase little bit of size of GoPro by doing that. But this thing is always essential, because we how many batteries we will keep with us. If we are doing motovlogging or things like that, we are continuously charging our battery. At the same time we are continuously connected with the microphone. So we need this kind of thing internal into this camera. So we'll stop this, and last testing we will do by take this microphone near to the audio source, and let's see how much noise it will capture or how much clarity it will give. So we'll start again. Hello, this is mic testing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and we are going to play some music. And we have stopped this out, and now we try to play back and using the speaker of the GoPro. This is the last one. Hello, this is my testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically I have keep this closer to the audio source, and it will always give you good sound and reduce the noise of your room or your wind or anything like that. So that's it for this video. I hope you learn something. So actually I have purchased this with this new GoPro Hero 5 Black. So it will means otherwise this little thing is going costlier if we are specifically purchasing it from USA or maybe from India also. So this conversion become very costly if we are because of the shipping charge. So right now we are removing this slowly, and we will shut this down. Just close the door slowly. This door is $20 if you break it down, so always be careful. And that's it.